All right, good morning, everyone. We're going to do a little short, concise morning call this morning. Let's get started. Yeah, we got Friday. We capped off a really strong day for U.S. markets, obviously. On the back of tapering news as well as Friday's brilliant GDP figures. Remember, that is a backward-looking number, so. But I think that is really important because the market's kind of been to an extent pricing this in. So I think we've needed to have some better numbers. We've continued to see this spate to better numbers coming out in the States, and then we're getting a slew of economists, around the world that are saying that the U.S. Economy is only going to hit its stride this year. You've got public sector, jobs that we've been axing for over a year now in the States, and that has really started to go away. So that drag is kind of gone. Now the housing drag is also gone. So, things are definitely looking more positive from that perspective. Let's jump into Asian action. We saw up across the board as well. Nikkei did, a little bit of a laggard, just simply probably because the yen didn't weaken so much. But finally got Shanghai, that was up a little bit this morning. The real worry, I think, has been the interbank lending market there. People have been swerving a little bit. I saw Jim Chanos even calling it a little bit of a mini crisis. I think fears of that are abating a little bit this morning, and we have to see how this plays out the next few sessions. They still haven't really come in and done anything huge to quell that issue. So until they do, I don't know if could be just a short-term bounce, but it's the first day in 10. I think that China is actually up on the day. It's not up that much, so we'll have to continue to pay attention to that going forward. No corporate action report today. Market data is going to be a little bit light. We've got Spanish PPI out at 10. We've got Italian consumer confidence. We've got in the U.S. we've got Chicago Fed National Activity Index. We've got personal income, personal spending, and the University of Michigan consumer confidence numbers. So light day out today in terms of market data. I'm not even going to go through the chart setups at the moment, guys. It's going to be so light out there. The volumes are going to be so small that I think we're really just going to be on a little bit of a drift. I just want to encourage you to be really careful on what's happening out there, because volumes obviously are going to be intensely light. Just pick your moments. I think if you're looking for anything on mispricings, those mispricings need to be exaggerated even more than usual. It's just very important that you stay out of harm's way over these next few days that we're open. That's it for today, guys. Thanks a lot.